this is Ushwala from Inside Print Communications. Today we have a special guest with us, Mr. Subramanyam from Murugan Offset. So we are going to talk with him on his experience with the Fujifilm Revoria PC1120. When did you install the Fujifilm Revoria machine?
It's almost completed yesterday, only 1 year. Last August 3rd only we have installed the machine.
Oh, that's nice. So it's been 1 year now.
Yeah.
You have installed the machine. What is your experience with the machine so far?
It's a very good machine, and we are very well satisfied with the machine and its quality. We have got a good reputation with the machine also, with its quality main. Most of the customers also feeling they got a good machine in this like pant and so everything. We have got a good from the customer side also. We have got.
That's nice, sir. And what special applications you have done with the machine? Like it's a 10 color 6 station press.
We have taken only white and gold only. We have not made many more, but we have very good work on that with gold and white. It is not due to the machine. We are not able to do this. It's due to the technical knowledge is not developed still in Vijayawada. We're still trying to explain customers how to do it. Everything is struggling, but still it is going on.
But sir, is there any special application or specific application which you did and your customer was wowed with the result? So any wedding invitation you might have printed or anything which customer said like it's outstanding and he was happy?
It is happening like that.
Okay.
My parent doesn't have any problem, but we are getting good support from the customers.
Are your customers happy with Revoria results? What are your customers' take on the results?
Very much satisfied with it.
They're very much satisfied with the results. And so we heard you are evaluating our new EC1100 product as well.
I have not only taken the prints also.
Okay.
Yeah, very good quality. For the 100 ppm, I think it is a budget machine than any other things. You have to see. We are planning for that. We'll see the results.
So it is going to be a game changer in 100 ppm segment, right?
It would be a changer. Most of the people thought it is it would be like worsened to it, but I have to say I have seen the print quality. It is different. It is very nice.
It is very nice. All right, sir. So thanks for your time today. Thank you so much.